Hi all, Elaine here from MRE Studio Designs with a really quick tutorial today. I've been online with a couple of different polymer clay groups, and I keep hearing about people asking how to clean their rollers once they've gotten very sticky and everything starts sticking to them. So I have uh, a roller that I had the same problem with. As you can see, it's very dull. Everything sticks to it. To the point where I actually had to buy a new roller because I didn't know what to do with it. So I was telling my daughter about it, and my daughter makes resin dice. And she said that she has a polisher that could probably help. So I asked her about it, and she said, this is the polish here. It's called Flitz polish, and it's good for metal, plastic, and fiberglass. And I said, well, I'll give it a shot. So we're going to try this today. And it comes with a polishing cloth. And you just put a little bit on the polishing cloth, just very little. And start rubbing. And just keep rubbing. It's supposed to polish it and get everything off. We'll see how this works. And I'm using pretty good amount of elbow grease on this. So all the way to the end. Keep turning it. And she says it doesn't take long to do this, so we're going to see. So I can see already it looks a little better. Okay, so we're going to use the clean part of the cloth to wipe off the excess. And wow, look at that. That looks so much better. And if I did it longer, I could probably get every scratch out. But just for this short tutorial, I just wanted to see how it worked. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. Again, I could probably polish it longer and make it absolutely perfect. But I think this is actually usable again. So thank you for watching. If you like this, please like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you next time with our next tutorial. Thank you.